Okay friends, to get started on this job, one of the first things we have to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. After that, we're going to remove all of our lug nuts and the wheel. Now that the wheel's off, we have a nice clear view of our sway bar link. You can see that it mounts to the strut right here and then down at the sway bar link at the bottom. To remove this, I'm just going to use some locking pliers. I'm going to come right on the back side of this bracket right here and try to grab onto the stud. I'll squeeze this as tight as possible and then we can remove our 15mm nut. You might have to heat up that nut a little bit. Now we can slide this out of here and do the same to the lower one. Okay friends, it's time to install our brand new sway bar link. When you look at this, you're going to be able to find the stud in the center right there. Has a little Allen head slot. We're going to use a 5mm Allen head for this. That way there, once we put this in, we can hold that stud and then tighten the nut. Let's get this into position. Slide it in there. Take one of your mounting nuts, start it right on there. Now at this point, like I said, we're going to be using this and our wrench. This in the center to hold that stud for me. There we are. Do the same to the lower one. Let's torque these to 43 foot-pounds. Let's get our wheel up on here. Start on all of your lug nuts, then we'll bottom them out. Once they're bottomed out, we'll get the wheel on the ground, and then we'll torque them all to 100 foot-pounds. Torqued.